Growing Plants, a step-by-step guide, seedling plant. Welcome, kids! Today, we're going to learn how to grow a plant in this video. Seedling. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, we'll cover all the essential steps to grow healthy and thriving plants. Step 1. Choose the right plant, flower. 1. Select a plant species. Consider factors like climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your plant will receive. 2. Research plant requirements. Understand the specific needs of your chosen plant, including water, fertilizer, and pruning requirements. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Seedling. 1. Test your soil. Determine the pH level and nutrient content of your soil. 2. Add amendments. Based on your soil test results, add necessary amendments like fertilizers or pH adjusters. 3. Mix well. Ensure the amendments are evenly distributed throughout the soil. Step 3. Plant your seeds or seedlings. Plant seeds. Follow the package instructions for sowing depth and spacing. 2. Transplant seedlings. Gently remove seedlings from their containers and plant them in your prepared soil. Step 4. Water your plants. Water drop. Water thoroughly. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering. Check the soil regularly to avoid root rot and other issues. Step 5. Provide adequate sunlight. Sun. Choose a suitable location. Ensure your plant receives the right amount of sunlight. Rotate plants. Rotate plants regularly to promote even growth. Step 6. Fertilize your plants. Daisy. Choose a fertilizer. Select the fertilizer that meets your plant's specific needs. Follow instructions. Apply the fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 7. Prune and train your plants. Seedling. Prune regularly. Remove dead or damaged leaves and stems to promote healthy growth. Train your plants. Use stakes or trellises to support plants that need structural guidance. Step 8. Monitor and maintain your plants. Flower. Regularly inspect. Check your plants for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Take action. Conclusion. Growing plants requires patience, care, and attention to detail. By following these steps and understanding your plant's specific needs, you'll be well on your way to growing healthy and thriving plants. Happy gardening!